Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick O'Malley, and I want to tell you what makes the new Laceration course even better than the original. We've taken everything that worked and rebuilt it from the ground up to serve today's acute care clinicians. First, the content is now fully streamlined, focused, and built for the fast-paced demands of frontline clinicians. You'll get straight to the procedures, the decision points, and the techniques that matter most in fast-paced, real-world settings. No fluff and no wasted time. Second, we've added world-class visuals. Our cadaver videos are enhanced and expanded to show suture techniques in vivid detail. And for the first time, we've introduced custom medical animations. These are built from scratch to help you master the anatomy and the mechanics of suturing like never before. Third, it's not just about how to suture, it's about when and why. The Laceration course puts a big focus on clinical decision-making and efficiency. You'll learn how to think through complex wounds, manage infection risk, and make smart choices under pressure. Fourth, we've brought in outside experts. Dr. Bill Sullivan covers medico-legal principles and documentation best practices. Dr. Brian Lynn dives deep into advanced closure techniques and real-world cases that challenge even experienced clinicians. Fifth, we've built in pediatric care. Throughout the course, we've placed kidbits, pediatric-specific content that teaches you how to approach lacerations in children with confidence, care, and speed. Sixth, we've added more structure to support your learning. Each module ends with action items to apply what you've learned, clinical pearls to reinforce key takeaways, and a downloadable workbook to help everything stick. And finally, we now offer remote suturing workshops for groups. Train your team live from anywhere with hands-on guidance and real-time feedback. The Laceration course isn't just updated, it's re-engineered. It's the most comprehensive, clinically relevant, and visually advanced laceration course available today. Thanks for being a part of it.